This is Nation Broadcasting Corporation, DWNB-TV. NBC is a commercial broadcast station authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number BSD 00552020, REN 0304, effective until February 28, 2023. NBC transmitter is located at NBC Compound, Emerald Hill Subdivision, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. NBC Studio Complex is located along Reliance Street, corner Sheridan Street, Barangay Buayang Bato, Mandaluyong City. NBC operates with a transmitter power of 30 kilowatts. NBC Network Engineering is headed by Ronaldo A. Hernandez. NBC transmission engineering personnel are duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineer Hernando C. Manogit, PECE number 0000423. Electronics Engineer John Del B. Pere, ECE number 0075400. First-class radio telephone operators, Armando G. Armada, 95 1PNCR 13661. Ricardo L. Parungao, 94 1PNCR 12403. Brendo O. Sabado, 97 1PNCR 18957. Adolfo M. Garay, 97 1PNCR 19107. NBC programs are seen nationwide via NBC and affiliate stations. NBC stations, Channel 41, Metro Manila, Channel 36, Baguio, Channel 29, Cebu, Channel 29, Cagayan de Oro, Channel 29, Davao, Channel 22, General Santos. Affiliate station, Channel 40, Naga. NBC DWNB-TV is now signing on.
Susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.